Right guys, let's do this one now. I would like to welcome you back again. Let's do this one now. We are doing assemble drawing, engineering drawing entry. Assemble drawing, engineering drawing entry. So this is what, these are the items we are given. Item 1, item 2 there, item 3, this 4, this is 4, then this one is 5, this one is 6, the last one, which is number 7, which is this one, 7, which is this one. So the very much important thing that we have to do, first is to go to the question first. So this is the question. This is the question. Question 3. Assemble drawing. Figure 3 below shows the primary views of a component of a Cam Pulley assemble. The complete list of parts is as follows. So we are having item 1 excuse me, to item 8. We are having item 1 till item 8. The description are the names of it, isn't it? And the quantity, how many times are you expected to draw item 1, how many times are you expected to draw item 2, and so on. You understand? So the quantity, they are saying 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So from there we have to read the question. So the question is read as follows. So draw to a scale 1:1 a full sectional front view of the Cam Pulley assemble. No hidden details, it is necessary, which means if you draw those hidden details, you are not going to get penalized. So item 1 till item 8, all of them have to draw them once, which is quantity. And again, is this a full sectional or what? It's a full sectional what? Front. Because it can be a full sectional left or a full sectional right, you understand? So that's what we want. And so sometimes it can be a half sectional with a left hand intersection, or with the right hand intersection, or with the upper part intersection, or with the bottom part intersection. So those are the keys that we have to rely on. So in this case, they set a full front, which means when we come to our views, when now we are drawing, we'll be taking only the fronts. And before we even analyze that, we'll go back to what? We'll go down there to our projection symbol. There is your projection symbol. So this is given according to this projection symbol, which is the symbol of first angle orthographic projection. Which means if this is your item 1, this is your front view of item 1, this is your what? This is your left view. This is your front view of item 2, this is your left view. This is the front view of your item 3, this is its left view. This is going to be the front view of your item 5, this is its left view. This one is your front view of item 4. We are not given the left, we are not given the top. Item 6, this is its front view, this is its left view. Item 7, this is its front view, this is its left view. Only the front here. So then the question said draw a full sectional front. So which means when you come here, you'll be only taking the fronts, which means this is the one that we're gonna draw, we leave this one. This is the one that you're gonna draw, we leave this one. This is the one that you're going to draw, we leave this one. This is the one that you're going to draw, this is the one that you're going to draw, we leave this one. This is the one that you're going to draw, we leave this one. This is the one that you're going to draw. All together. So now, like as I've said, that in assemble drawing, before you start to draw, analyze those views. When you analyze them, you check their shape, their corners, you check the shape, and you correspond the shape with what? With dimension. You understand? So in item 1, this is what we are going to draw, and we will be drawing this item 1 according to a full sectional front view of it, which means the cutting plane, it will be cutting there by your left view, it will be right here. Are we together? It will be right here, and then this one, it will go out with an offcut. This one, it will remain. This one is cut at diameter 16. A1. So then what is that supposed to tell you? Supposed to simply tell you ukuthi this one is going to change to dark, 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 dark. This one will become dark as well, become dark. Also, the hexo cutted this diameter, which is symbolized by that one. So we'll be tracing the cutting planes like that, because we will be taking the what, only the front views, only the front views, only the front views. Yeah, you understand? So now if we are going to have this shape, and from here till here is diameter 70, again from here till here is diameter how much, 8. So on the other views, whether it's item 2 or item 3 or item 4, we must get this diameter, we must get this shape as well as these two, especially these two dimension. You understand? So in this case we have diameter 8, which is that one. This 8 will correspond with this one, this 7 will correspond with this one, and this shape again, these corners, this corner, indeed item 3 is going to be fitted the way as it is. You just take this item 3 the way as it is, then you come and fit it there. So item 2 is not fitting in item 1. Understand? Because it usually be 2 fitted in 1, 3 fitted into 2, 4 fitted into 4, 3, 5 fitted into 4. You understand? Sometimes they can jump like that. So what is very much important for you is to check the shape as well as dimensions. So we analyze, or we join them using shapes as well as what, as dimensions. So we've solved item what, item 3. So item 2, how is it going to be fitted in item 3? Item 2 does not fit in item 1, but then it's supposed to be fitted in what, in item 1, with 2 to 1, 3 to 2, no, 2 to 1. Okay, let's see, we are having from here till here 16 millimeter. What is very much important is the shape as well as the dimension. So if I'm saying from here till here 16 millimeter, this 16 is going to correspond with what, with this one, because they said from here till here is 8 millimeter, again from here till here 8 millimeter. So if you say 8 times 2 is going to give you 16, and this one is diameter what, 16. Remember that this is what, it's left view, isn't it? So if this is diameter 16 and it's of the length of 16, it corresponds with, if you say 8 times 2 is giving you 16, which is that one, isn't it? So again, it's of diameter 16. So indeed this is going to fit there. It's going to fit there. And you must know what this from here to there is not a what? It's not a hole, it's just a metal steel. I think it is the one that's going to lock there. You understand? So if this one is locking there, then let's see, and which one is this one? And remember there are two, which means the milky one. These are thread, and these threads, these are internal thread. This internal thread, they are of diameter 16. So, oh, you don't see this internal thread, they're of diameter 16. So if I'm saying they're of diameter 16, we must get the item 7. Item 7 is of M16, which means indeed this one, it will be fitted there. So we are going to attach item 2 into item 1. We are going to attach item 2 into item 1 by using what, this board, which is item 7, which is your item 7. You understand? So how about item 6? Item 6 is of the length of 32 millimeter. Item 6, the outside diameter of item 6 is what, is diameter 30, isn't it? So let's see, do we have diameter 30? Where do we have diameter 30? Because this is supposed to be a push 4 The 6 must be fitted in what? In 5. Where is 5? The inside diameter is diameter 22. So 5 must go to what? To item 5 must go to item 6 must go to item 5. So this one, it will be fitted there. The inside diameter is diameter 22, which correspond with that. The outside diameter of item 6 is going to enlarge this one, isn't it? So the outside diameter is now diameter what? Diameter 30, which is giving us the outside diameter 30. Do we see? Let's look at diameter 30. Diameter 30. Diameter 30. This one is diameter 22. So which means this shaft, and from here till here is 8. So if you say 8 times 3, how much are you getting? You are getting 24. And this 24, do we have another 24? That's how you analyze, that's how you play around it. From here till here is diameter 18, this wheel. So this wheel from here till here is diameter 18, this wheel, which is going to be fitted there. So how about this one? The diameter 22, the outside diameter is that one, it will be fitted there. So this one, this item 3 is already there. Okay, so now let's start to draw. So we are going to start to draw item 1. The rest we're going to see it along the way. So I'll start with what? With just a faint line like this, faint line here. Going down. So from this point, I am going to measure 8 millimeter and 8 millimeter. This one from here till there, from here till there. So I am not going to say times 2. I'll record it the way as it is, the way as I can see it, because at the end I'll need the second 8. So this is 5, this is 8 millimeter, and 8 times 2 is 16. There it is. Then from there I'm gonna go down vertically, faint. There you go. And there you go. Then from there, this one I can draw it dark now. From here till here, I draw it dark. Then from here going down, submerge now. From here going down, they said from here till here is 48 millimeter, and the 48 millimeter is giving us the center. You see. So 48, there is your 48. I have the center. I'm very slow today, so this is the center way. There by your center, I see another dimension going down of what? Of 73 millimeter. Do you see 73 millimeter? 70. This is 70. 1, 2, 3. So where I see the 73 millimeter, I can now draw faint. My 73 millimeter is ending here. Then I can draw this one dark. understand? Then from there, don't worry about this one. This is what is the one that we did before, understand? So don't worry about it. So just right next to it, let's put this one. Just right next to it, let us put this one. So now, after we have gotten that, this one we can draw it dark, I think, from here going down, which is this one. As far as I've analyzed, we can have it solid, this one, right? Then from there we can follow it by what now? By having this one 80 from here till here, 80 millimeter. So which means I'm going to say 40 this side, 40 this side. So it's 0 and 80. So just put the horizontal line, faint, so I can go dark from here till there, and from here till there, which means now here till there I can have it solid, and I can have it solid with that favor there now. Then from there, what can I have now? From here till there is going to be dark just a little bit, so which means we are going to divide the 70 by 2, which we are going to say 35 and 35. There's my 0, 70 right here, so I can have it solid here and solid there, and have this one dark here and right here. So it's because if we through our item 1 a full sectional front view of it, if it's like this. So then now let's fit item 3 in item 1, item 3 in item 1, and thereby item 3 from here till here it will disappear, from here till here it will disappear, from there till there dark, from here till here dark. So let's just get the internal diameter, that one of diameter 22 divided by 2, so you get 11 millimeter. Then I mark it 0 and mark it 22. This is 22, like that. And cross check that this one from here till here, from here till here is what is 8 millimeter, which correspond with the very first 8 there by your item 1. Then the second one from here till here is 8 millimeter, which will correspond with the second one. Then the third one, it will be somewhere right there, you understand? So which means I can record 8 millimeter, which is going to be the third one. This is 9, this is my 8 millimeter. Then after that, I go like this, and dark from here till there, and dark from here till there. So the moment I'm drawing this dark line like this, I'm now talking, I assume my item 3 is already there, which is this one from here till there, from here till there, which is this one from there till there, from here till there. So now I can correlate this diameter 40 from here till there, 20 from here till there, 20. Where is it? And so I can even draw it dark here and there. So I'm not quite sure what is going to be closed here or what. Then now I can go back till here, till there. So you must be very sure on what you are doing is this one, because from here till here it will disappear. So now I can go back with what, with 80mm. The 80mm, which is this one, which is this one. From here till here is 80mm, isn't it? So I can easily close it like this and close it like this. You understand? So there is our item 2 fitted in item 1. Was this one we won't gonna draw, which is this one again from here till here we're not going to draw, which is this one from here till there. Understand? So write our item 3 fitted in item 1 already. So now we are going to attach